Hey guys, welcome back to Gopi's Art Gallery. And today we're going to draw a beautiful watercolor scenery with the help of Camel Artist Watercolor. So let's get started. As you can see, we have already done the pencil work here, and now we are fine lining our drawing with the help of Brusto fine liner pen in 0.05. Today we'll be using the Camel Artist watercolor and take a screenshot after I have finished putting down the colors there, so you can see what are the shades I've used. So I'm using the color cerulean blue with the help of a wash brush and adding it to the sky. And right now I'm using the viridian green as a base of the greeneries that I will later define. And also I'm using the gambork yellow to the yellow highlights and some part of the roads too. At the little lakeish side, I have used the cerulean blue again, but with a little bit of thick consistency. Right now I'm using the viridian green and the sap green mixture and the gambork yellow at the top of the roof too. And I'm using a little bit of permanent orange to pop up the roof's shade. I'm defining the window pane with cerulean blue, and for the gate I am using a little bit of crimson red and permanent orange both. For the trees, I have already taken raw umber. I naturally do brown sienna, but I wanted to do something different. And for the stones, I am using Pines Grey, which is a beautiful shade of blackish gray. If you don't want to mix color, you can just light it down or thick it up with water and use it as raw. You don't have to mix it with other colors, and by after drying it will look really good. I have done the grasses with a mix of cerulean blue, viridian green and the sap green, and sometimes I took a little bit of black to darken the shadows or cerulean blue, and that's how I have created the trees and the grasses and for the viney plant too. So this is how our painting turned out. If you guys follow the tutorial and made one by yourself, please don't hesitate to let me know. I'll definitely check them out and please guys, subscribe to my channel. I have seen people who are watching my videos but not subscribing. Please show me some support so we can grow together and I can make this beautiful tutorials just for you. And do not forget to suggesting me what kind of video I should post next. And I do have a small art page in Instagram, so do support me there too. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much guys for the love and support you're giving me. So I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Till then, bye bye and take care.